Friend, oh, I did was so. I said when you're young, friend, oh, I did was so. I said when you're young, Shoba. Me mamunyina, how? Good afternoon. I do believe some hoye. Nyamia dumti men so me hoye papa. Yegusun kaka. Yeah. And then so ahia mu biem. E de Ofie Kwanso me de e brown. Free sabe kopem se bebo enwumre no nsia. Na ene akoya ya wodai. Yebu asim tentem na isan se adwuma bebre Ofie ase ye. Na ento ankopem se no nsia bebo no. Na ese yetimi ehwe na yewie saa anwuma ni nyina fefe kama pa. Eti de edi kan no. Ebre na so an sa. Videos of our time yemborem. As usual, you need to join me on Facebook. Now watch a video na ye share na ye dia tudwa no. And that video no very educative pa. Me no we need to learn something from this video I'm about to show you. Videos of our time today. Eti pacho joining me on Facebook says here 106.3 FM. That's Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Boruam was here na fe. And that time in yours na yen show and that video no. Na the woman say sua fisa video no no. Yentimi hwe na yen sua enfri mo. Wow, access to Facebook joining me says here. They're coming home on Facebook says here. Yes, we are live. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Now and then videos of our time. Video ye show na ye show bibi free mo no. Ye miom sesia, ye monram sesia. Yes. They're from Jerry Justice. We Papa Bill Swa African Waha. Jamestown Jeko. And also Waha. And now also for those of you who've just joined us on Facebook, special greetings going out to all of you. Chicha Muina, Yamamuina, Hassan Mamuina, Kwaba, about Ofie Kwanso Media, so Adom 106.3 FM. Eti Pacho, Shia Moses Yana, videos of our time and that video, no. Yen show honor, yen the aircraft and the airbar. So as I wait for you, say oborum wo Facebook no say sia na ye na ya hwe videos of our time and you can catch us say na dey no a very educative pa say na hwe na esua bibi from this very video. Mama can for a floral disposable handkerchief ema pebi na efa show bag ni mu pebi fa show wallet ni mu pebi na fa share your purse ni mu pebi na fa show bottom beka say na ade misi donation wallet ya any cute kama esua kra etimi fit wo handkerchief cotton ones here we are ntimi atwam they say yare ba emfa de ne pepa ahuna no emfa pepa on san fan pepa gems in san fan ko show bottom da bi use floral disposable handkerchief we are no disposing of only obi any asem you know what I'm saying very affordable and available our market where we are we a product of Delta Paper Mill Limited. Open the door pa now afraid 0243 00 Debbie, you're going to be able 0243 033 033. That's 0243 033 033. Now near Dinkitown. I feel as they do on a young farmer Bell Chapman and no any the new party sensation in town. I pro to CBA no say Bell Chapman and PMwa not just a munim the aircraft. You know what I'm saying? A special cocktail available in 330 and 500 ml bottles. Lime womb, blackcurrant womb, lemon womb. The vitamins womb chapo, low in sugar. One pack the only 16 bottles for a very cool price. Mansan count there, shops and stores and supermarkets. How don't need them? The door pan. Now what for Bell beverages? on 055-538-5800 and on 055-538-5900. Bell Chapman for life's happy moments. As they do a young farmer, JK Company Limited. JK Company Limited. All the SO distributors demand Nataraj products were Ghana. Etienne is a pay Nataraj pen, pencils, ne pencil cases, crayons, ne mat sets. How do you know? Borumo JK Company Limited. A band of stationery products, ne papa pan, a bonus will sign that from now. A JK Company Limited. Yes, also JK exercise books, JK 5-star, A4, and then A3 papers. And the company now, Obehuno number 60 Otublehum Street, close to Christ Embassy. Our North Industrial Area. You can tell DB no afraid. Bet me to send a WhatsApp 0540-125-999. That's 0540-125-999. Finally, now for your video no entries is here. Dominion about powder. A draw a boy multi build a strong immune system. Now a sign boy and normalize the blood pressure. Wa kidney and I say heart related problem beyond no a sign a boy a free. We are Jumaki to a biano at a bread. The Bia Umpumu Poswa ya chibre mutimi to 2 ani adia. Pibinwe. A bell wow. Stroll the diabetes there in front of feature cry. Ubenya biato or heba shops are holding them across the country. The door pan ko eye and coco. Also share Angel Dominion Bar Center for HR Quine. Ubi a betro. And yes, out there from 0543-158-195 and our face 020-429-6449. Dominion Bar Powder, your number 1 immune booster. Yes, I feel you more Facebook news here. Videos of our time. And then video I show at the show. Patrol, join me on Facebook. Says here, baby, I will be on. If you have access to Facebook, join me now and let's watch the video together. My catch send the video now. You show no. Yeah, yes, a video we are show. Now what's your bibi kakra at the official video we emu. Now, what would need access to Facebook no? As usual, said I am a yen amount. Me boy, our dream is here. Oh, now, Mamma who said the idea neko. Now, what me at once ye pa? What I say? Me boy, our dream. Now, match them where you know. Now, when ya clear description of vivid one and casa pa, I said the video now, you know, and not Casana Menoka, BVR bear fine. What I say? But so access to Facebook there, why not? I mean, join us now. I watch a video, no dinner. Wow, who said the corner said there, but the Americans are okay, see in a brandy patch, oh, okay, see dinner, you know what I'm saying? Good, right? And that video now, me no watch channel. I am a Taikan same says a man for Nyas or Moya near America or as we Nyas ye near there. Visions you are a best near dear film. If you are a boy and cocoa, what I say, am I very careful and I'm to be near there. Videos no any nana any pana ABB. Video you are bobbing a de. What I say, and only buy a cordo. Now, and the video now, me no channel. I am one some. But as a semi no me no. Yetimi sua bibi fi sa video we emu eye emoa ene wo video no mu yes but as I say enipa yetimi sua fi aboa ne nche oh yes you see sometimes unso bitimi ya de bi no bi jawe so now so mo ade ben na aye because ade na wo ye na nse nipa yes ade nyansa bi anim but in this case aboa sesen koye ya wano aboa ya de papa enti if aboa yesusu se nipa nim nyansa chen aboa sa aboa no yes something good why can't we learn from aboa no? Because if you go to the Bible it is there, or still go to the ant kwatati anenchen ne ko sua na kwan go and learn its ways ant no. Because atatiano ya aboa bi anka ketekete beka sa aboa de onim nyanso wato but aboa we timi steady weather ehun say season we ya dum no I need to go for food and store e wo me tokro no me bon no Said you may do it because I thought yesterday is you to a found now for one time. Into your store enough food. A bit me keep you for the longest time. And you do say you to try or tenable would be no you bo. That is why a Bible say I'm one in Nyansa. And young quarter tension use you and I said they are there. They don't save for the future. Oh, then they say, Kakrabe to moi. Oh, Jack, me and quite a couple bottles to be here. So sometimes it is proper we learn from the animals. And this is a clear video. I just a bit me BB Effie and one chain. You more Facebook is here. Jacob for Facebook. Okay, so the video is on Facebook now. Obet me join here. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Now watch a video no. What we need access to Facebook no. Mame monra wadwum sisi a. Na men chira video no ani so. Na eti ase de nti am say we can also learn from emoa. Video no wan sa boy ya last year come say me koto bi aka nyame afafia wo wi. Yes o mu hye dani an wonesa. Kro koko. On kro koko. Nidin brofo crowd say Turkey. Yes, sano brun feno. Na kro someone so munya ntoko a hadwin papa. They can fight the whole day. Omutimi kontoko ama baku obi onim Turkey bia no bisa na obeka kiro. Emo we timi kontoko a de se baku awu anso mo agyan ntoko na omoko no. Minim e bia na wo de wunya akwanya se wo hu kro koko se omoko da. Especially a mema no mienu no. Omutimi kwa no ba kwa so ade bi na ese omodame de tuatu omo amano ho no obi timi so de ba gwa ati na fe wa bleedi sa na wawu omo pentokwa papa na emmoa we mienu eko krokoko mienu ko minim se na omo ko oba ho se aduane ho na omo ko se den yo a timi se we so we na we aso we na we afi omo akatade mu na omo twe na omo ya. And there's this aboy in Punidi say Odwan sheep Odwan so the brof did the sheep na Odwan ba ko gina ho and was nothing na makon tokwa saa enti Odwan no de o ne say onu de niti e ko hye emo ne mienu ntem said de be obe separate ono mo agyan tokwa no but o ya o mo ntimi enyan tokwa no mo guso ko enti Odwan no so hunza na so head enti Odwan ne konachi. No, I said the okopim no, not the best separating one mienu. So munya ntokwa no. But one them one asa kabo mu for nechi no asa dane no aya. Just say Odwane struggle on person tokwa no opeso ya no mu gyan tokwa yo mu kwin. Na so still krokro fo mienu yi eguso a eye ntokwa sem no. Enti na say o head no head we call this side no head we call this side. Sabe obetimi a separate am one mienu from fighting. Enem remu nipa ya bayi. See asusu jagum ni so obi pon say obi ni nwa bia nya ntokwasam kakra ne ade say e be patafo. No, you don't get people these days. Say oh they are social media na hwa de so obi aye bi na manfo be kan me 10% ade oh there be ye be susu jagum sa ono ne hwan ye so be kan say tell am kan wadwe kira no ya free o man ye be susu jagum sa ye nemrem ye ni apatafo. Yeah, put your better crow, Jum, ya frefra, man to quaba. Enipa, but she and moi, she de oye. She de aboa or grind, yes, will grind there were Jimmy. Obia to Musa or grind there, I will be where Jimmy, almost upon children in Yansa, wonder a club, but will grind there. You catch yourself, who's the grinds are not there. Do you say, Unisika, Tizo Granty? Or grind there to say, Jimmy Con. But aboa ye di Jimmy asusu no efri say ye mofra be mu a de anya besi say obia di Jimmy asusu aboa ye friend Odwan. But this Odwan is doing something clever here. Wo also you nipa na wo so de nyansani kura. You don't do it. Obi ani tua pa say ade ye ekoso between obi ni obi. Anko betimi kura amasumdua bom ntem. Onye e fa no after all say nyame na ode me. For them to fight. Now yes, are creating confusion between and a year dang. yen na yen hwɛ saa video yi na yen sua bibi free de aboa odwan ayi aboa yen na susu se on de wagimi onim nyansa hwɛ de aboa we atimi aye. Let's learn something from this. Anka nyese bi kra yen fan senka ye edwan mienu na okọ na opata kra na bibia beka so ne maame bi omu ana bia ne anka obi omu when you edwan na ekọ. You get my point. Eye krokro no moko Turkey and no moko and no you odwan on kan no odwan Turkey dey omo ye den abi we Turkey under beds you can't beds are Turkey can be odwan ye bed but who said no this is not right it is what me a pattern to kwano na odwan ayo pattern for fight for asumdwe na wo also ye nipa bosome nkono ba na wo de da bia begege se ntokwamra yen kontokwa da bia begege se o amanfo ntem nse ya na ese wa videos of our time and de no de buy no na wo hwe video na eko end ho no emse na odwan na hu se omo record no odwan ya ga so clever odwan o hu se na onipa bi e de camera be sinu so record ndi o giant okwa no patana obegina so obehwe camera no mu obegina akwa no ze obesanse nko be head camera no so fi o se Ojare, he knows what time it is. What you say on your ordinary guy. Anyways, so and that video net what they share to the latter part what they share do Ojare no ohu baby a onipa no record no ejina a ode ne nsa wura I say KGB on ode ne nsa wura mu record no ntino Ojare be here na oba closer to camera na recording na say unya kura nko ni tibe wura camera no kura prekopeni ade. All right, that's at the tail end of the video. The one more share on Facebook no ubetimi a check here no out na wo said the ete abusu anche bia be hwa asem wa editu yon funa enra me no ka asem bi ena me ka cho say nyame adom ene be to aso na fe ode ochena so chen ya concluding part no near the abanache say their closest deal no. So that's it. Enchibia by kind courtesy door master and Pubiman paint depot afe in boost about mixture. Moi yedi tu onfo Ofie Kwanso dwumedi so Adom 106.3 FM. When you young, Shoba. Friend, oh, Reggie will sue. Now I say when you young, Abusia, baby, and Yamaka Con say, a real way home. Yare no said ya no ese na yetima ya ni da na ye hwe ho so yie pa wa se wo shabre hye wo nsam bibi bia obetimi aye bia to protect yourself no you need to do it because baby adunemu ayeden ba ni nam no go out say can sure say ye fuel stations ni now across the country safe so obetimi aba na on business oba make sure say ye COVID-19 protocols how do ni na no obedi so fefe kama pa obe wash your hands with soap and running water you're providing in now fuel stations ni na mo what keep you a minimum distance of 1.5 meters with other customers and our fuel attendants or face mask no men you asem here say public place bia be ko bia na say wutimi ehye na face so no wa cover hwene anyone no with tissue anytime bia be coffee and now be sneezy we are immediately no disposing off into a bin Now, if you are not in a position to wash your hands, make sure so be used to alcohol-based hand sanitizers. And also be boy and we recommend say a bayanka use to your electronic payment card. Make sure the Go card. Let me have one will minimize the cash transactions. We only say ya bibia beku ye dia mai na goyo. Yeah. I'm on fire. Now from the 2nd of April 2021, MTN and Fatu Ghana Madishin nim say Momo and son of me perform a transaction via Momo agent point biano. So to me provided a valid national ID card. And yes, I did lie. Yeah, way. So baby to me aboa. Our cost will receive cash. 100 transactions in a safe and secure manner. That is why we go together. Just Momo it everywhere you go. Now, Easeway Savings and Loans was saying found two and him say Nadia and Commodore and Abano. Now, Commodore Benny say almost reduce a rate on their loans. Easeway Savings and Loans and my all government employees a massive interest rate reduction on loans. And you take advantage of our offer. Now, let me access a new loan and now what transfer or loan that I know with other institutions to Easeway for a cheaper rate. You pay lower monthly installment. Let me have one when you extra money. And there are other items I can own. So apply now and get up to 100,000 Ghana cedis in 45 minutes. Call Easeway Savings and Loans on 050-160-5773 or 0244-914-171. Yes, sir. The nearest branch Biano, Burumu, Nebrana, Ininkomo. Easeway. Fast and reliable. Terms and conditions apply. So fruity. So fruity. Say I don't know. A more dead red. Yes, so fruity. Way and it the natural refreshing fruit drink. Full of goodness. Simple. Now, one advantage of So Fruity over all the others now called marketing is we're a non-carbonated natural fruit drink. Yes, totally free from chemicals. So Fruity, you only 3 flavors. Orange, Yakutu ya and Kawo ya and you want Zingo, and we a mixture of orange and ginger, and I feel you want cocktail. As usual, one him said a cocktail here, and only a mixture of various fruits and yakabum the own cocktail. No, come on. Yep. Remember, there's no other soft drink as refreshing and nutritious as So Fruity. Tianwa PBH for bulk purchase. Now, what friend Cedric Odoy on 05480 453-002. And yes, I'm sorry to me afraid 0342-293-263. No matter where you are, So Fruity is at your doorstep. Just call us, Keke. No, I don't know. Now sort you out. So Fruity. Enjoy the goodness of a natural, refreshing fruit drink. Me ya ina na mitafrita from Manoza. Cause me nimse deni deni. Now talking about Achedi Albetimi enya no. Unim say na 28th. Akwanya gusu o for some few days because Echebia na big stay fresh and win promo no abewe nyame Adom on the 31st of January any day bewe it's there so ya say kokrom neto a pack of big one sensitive from any outlet be a ben war Pacho Ayasha Park no mo say there's a scratch coupon be a share park no mo. We use our coupon now. Scratch pan on no scratch it. Kwisa. Both a secret code be BPM. In your buy a pen and our body I call a 1393. 1393. Now being your quenya so bit me instant airtime. I feel electrical appliances and outdoor mobile phones, gift vouchers. Any achedi pina in 2 separate drawers. Yes, all these fantastic prices are up for grabs. Promo running out till the 31st of January 2021. Big always gives you more. For further details, phrase 0248 311 798. Terms and conditions apply here too. I was about to share somewhere due to your home for. Right about now. Yeah, we are me one come over. Me want Obi Besiana Jar Rasta fried rice. Oi, Jamaican, you know. I have a Jamaican in the building, you know. So it's a Jamaican thing, you know. Yeah. Today yentie asemwa ye di tu hofu no ye wipe yen cross over to Jamaica, you know. Da do. Okay, great. So and that's somewhere due to your from me no actually be asset from Enra. Na eneye twice na nyame adom a Friday na ya conclude bibia. Quickly me remind you of what happened yesterday. Enra there no. Now say as you journey through life, be a reflection of what you want to receive. Be truthful if you want others to be truthful to you. It's as simple as that. And not they share no. Now, and they are share no. Pretty simple. I'll say, know that the greatest advantage of speaking the truth is that you don't have to remember what you said. You got it? Listen and listen good. And then you know, I'll say, know that the greatest advantage of speaking the truth is that you don't have to remember what you said. It's as simple as that. So we didn't cry. We cannot cry. We are very honest in everything you do. Hey, tipa be a news so the all kind and one kind. And you're afraid because so couldn't try. What should be your friend? You are not going to think, how did I even say it? What did I say? Because you want to make sure, say, the lie you told, no, will be keep you to that pace. Because one day now can be for why. So you are always thinking, you are always worried about what happened and what did I say. You want to get the exact. But if you are very truthful, if you speak the truth, and no crown so the air back and kontompo na branches here baby. If you tell lies, it has so many branches. But if you tell the truth, it is just one. And no cry air back. It is the greatest advantage you say. You don't have to remember what you said. You feel be worry because say what done ye nyanewa and one awoka. Say wo dim komo ne nyanewa anaso ye bisa we no anaka. Wo tonum ne bisa wa and one awoka. You don't have to worry yourself. Intiade na uni no kre na unye free. Esa there be a pressure be a news audio who live you life, you know what I mean? Call baby. That's what it is. So nyame adom ochina ye de concluding part ne beba. Na ye de awie sa enkomo we. Quickly en first was down my proud sponsors on my boy MET say we need awie pe ye mo ran komo mu studio house is here. Door master in Puma on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. You endorse or exterior steel security doors internal steel security doors, as well as bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors. In fact, any kind of door be out here, be ubo room, where your door master and Pobiman paint depot, you'll be well sorted. Prices also the Dafom pow compare baby to me say, yeah, Diano, and the Dafom cry. Ubo Ray painter from was now, and they are partner with News Paint. Yeah, Euro standard news paint, you know. Your more acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, a fair wallpaper, wall primers, and a potty, and a paint accessories. I would do in near the amount. And share dear go up and they cry and say institutions are outdoor, churches, schools, government institutions, offices are outdoor, individuals, real estate developers, and they move it to me about. Na mo beji paint dia kwa kutwimu project na mo ye no na mo offices ne ade mo ko paint ni na mo wia actually wa betua sika no with no interest bia any your friend paint now pay later but you be hu door master and Pobiman paint depot chi akwan e we Pobiman toll booth wona on the Accra Kumasi highway udu Pobiman toll booth wa in fact say udina toll booth wa woni tua shop no mu pe 0542 745-222 and at 050-021-2447. And what you first did your man in boost about mesha, aka police near Duno. A dread wow, and now build a strong immune system so that you be strong all the time. Yet be everything be the next minute you are sick, the next minute you are not feeling well, and I'm tired. No. You need to build a strong immune system. Infections be about system no more. It will fight against it. And no hospital on what I say. No be never wow. Ya rebia hinta oni pedue mu a no system no na fight against all those diseases and infections now why free. King's Walk Herbal, Ekus Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy. All talented and dependable bar shops across the country. Health Alert Shop also in Joseph Fay, Little George Health Shop at Tema Community 5. Huna Ubenyabio. Yes, our friend 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. MTN so at HB any day a year to semi a break war. MTN said from the 2nd of April you'll be required to present a valid national ID card anytime you visit a Momo agent point to perform a transactions. Yes. Take note, say we are doing this to help you keep receiving cash and just handling your transactions in a safe and a secure manner. That's why we go together. So just Momo it everywhere you go. Finally, time about mixture. And also say malaria fever na wenyan kwadia a droba kope. A friend time about mixture. Strictly for the treatment of malaria fever. Why well sorted? Problem be any HTBM. Appetite na konina, you get your appetite back and you eat good. General body pains na adini na so and no abesha san deal with it na opeso hu sisi hu so ntema na apeke and G about capsules no they are box no na no na boana bibia timi akoyi no for general friends well-being na bibia akoyi kama dia mo ni na ya available King's Walk Herbal, Repatch Ventures, Rick Jones and Azidos Herbal na o kanshi drug lane afi Ekus Pharmacy, By Class, Larry, and I with Dama Pharmacy ni na wa Shaman. Afi Ubo Remo Tribal Judah and Wakaswa and a Pharma Trust at Wager Junction. And yes, our phrase 0244 417 669. Nafi 124 S. All right, so we are done with that. Now, yan told you me so. Now yan dim komo kakra. And komo na eba be dino. Oh, ebe kan brofo kakra. You know what I'm saying? You speak English and speak Tree and speak everything because the artist I'm about to have this interview with, he's such an amazing guy. I don't even know how he managed to do this, but he did it anyway. K Genius is in the house, bro. Good afternoon.
Big up Jerry Justice. Oh, thank you for having the Iron Eye.
Yeah, man.
Build.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
I love your energy already.
Yeah. Anyway, so how is it going?
I'm doing wonderful. Give thanks and praise, man. I thank the Lord. I'm just here listening to you, giving positive, feedback. Telling the people them say, the best thing about the truth is when you say it, you don't have to remember it.
Yeah, man, you don't have to remember it. Yeah, because the truth is one. It's one. Yeah. So you don't have to remember it. Yeah, every time it's up there. All right. Now tell me about yourself, K Genius. I mean, who is K Genius?
And I am myself.
I love that.
Yeah. The best thing to speak about myself is somebody speaking about myself. Because I don't think I'm a good example to speak about myself. Because most I talk, it's like I'm bigging up myself.
Yeah, man.
But what happened is that talk about myself really is to speak about the music that I'm pushing.
Sure.
So if any individual will hear what the words I'm saying, that would explain who I am. Sure. It would more defined K Genius by the words of the music. The music you do. Exactly.
Yes. All right. That's just so on point. But then K Genius, what's your actual name?
Kwame.
Come on, man. Kwame, where did you get the Kwame from?
Saturday born.
Yeah, man, Saturday born definitely a Kwame. It can't be Kwame, But aside that, I mean,
you're Kirk, yeah.
Okay.
Kirk, yeah, man. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So are you say half Ghanaian, half Jamaican or full Jamaican?
No, man. I'm 100% Jamaican, but you don't know from where I'm coming from. We all belongs here in Ghana.
Sure.
So I would say that the ancestries are the road.
So you
I know that I'm belong from here.
Let's put it this way. So you find your roots to Ghana.
Yeah.
You understand? But you are Jamaican.
All
right. So for how long have you been doing music?
If I'm as long as I know myself, really and truly, music was just a part of everybody. You know what I'm saying? So it's a really fair question, and every time the question is asked me, I'm always saying, really and truly, how long me I do music? From you hear music, you do music.
Wow. Okay, so let's say like commercially.
Yeah. Actually, yeah. I would say in the 90s.
In the 90s.
In the 90s, when I wasn't even saying that I started to write.
Okay.
It was in the 90s.
Okay. And you've been doing this in Jamaica all this while.
In Jamaica, it was like basically the sound system go up, all the songs and put up the sound and stuff, and then it's like a dancehall thing. So every time you go around and DJs used to come to a session, so it always big sounds. So big sounds were like studios on the street. So that's where it started off with performing, and they will give you a mic and look. If you're not sitting to them, don't grab the mic from you. Go on by stage. Go practice again, man. You're not do good.
And if it's good too, then you're good to go. Yeah, man.
Good to go.
All right. Yeah. Okay. I was K Genius. Then in a bon come kakra na yen chum kakra na yen san to aso nko enim na me man akwaba mbisa no say no on kana ba kwasam kakra no so e be yes o be kana asem a just obi le kana no kana na say ono ya hye no ho bi dudu say o kan asem pa fa no dudu ne ade a timi bisa ni no yes on the friend Kwame is as o Saturday born ti wona mdi ko bisa say so o Ghana ni Jamaica ni ana Jamaica full and so 100% Jamaican, but ono believe say omo no baby omo asefia it not just say oba na just oba ni nchiri no na me san to aso bisa ne say o free share say ye enwom be mfie do so no so enwom ne de part of him ni ade and obi a o ye den enwom no wo mu ni ade antino, but commercially me bisa no just from the 90s no and I was share say o tro no say commercial music so ye en kakra ni ade a o de egugu so a eni ye de aba be pie baby ye de pie nti ye beto aso na echi no yasan around chimu kakra e de aba. Now I know you've done a couple of songs already.
Yes.
All right, because from the 90s definitely you might have lots of music, all right? But tell me your connection with Ghana. Earlier you said you sort of find your roots down here. Yeah. All right, but then there are lots of Jamaicans who are doing music and they are doing it elsewhere. Some want to, break through in the States and all of that. But you decided to be in Ghana. Tell us about it.
You know, you have a feeling when you start to hear about Africa. You start to see. You know, I never said this on the other shows before, but because of the question that's put to me,
sure.
I try to remember majority of the time. You don't remember everything that you're saying, but this is about the music. And the first time I have compassion or ever feel American, this is the first time I'm saying it on your show, Jerry, is when the Babylonians, I would call them, will have the audacity to come into Africa, and they will show these things on the television, because I would not say television, it's television. It's a vision of lies.
I love that.
Yes, and they will show this, like this clip of, you know, of the Red Cross, and they're showing where the Africa, the lies that they tell about Africa, that the flies were pitching on the babies, the camera was viewing on them, and they're saying, oh, donate this, donate that, and that's Africa. I'm like, what the heck? How the cameraman should be taking, and this is at a young age, taking picture of the babies and the flies all over, and you're begging money. Why would you film that to show me? And then that was making me real angry to say that. So if the cameraman, if the baby is hungry, why don't put your camera down, buy some food, and give the baby, find the flyer for the baby before you film the baby. So that kind of drive at a young age, I saw that, and that bring a lot of passion into me for Africa.
Oh, okay.
But what? Hey, when I come to Africa, them lies that they tell about Africa, and brethren, that's what makes me have to write what I want to write.
Okay.
This is why my passion is towards Africa, and that's why I started the research about Ghana and other places, because the roots that was laid back is that the documents that they have on their wall in England, which I've never been, but I've seen certain things. The roots that was from the Slave Coast was traced backwards to Jamaica.
Okay.
Where they dropped them off. And the Slave Coast today, which is towards the east, that era, there's a lot. It was all kingdoms. That era was called the tribe of Judah. The kingdom of Judah.
Okay.
So if you know today, the slave coast was called the kingdom of Judah. So not to say we're separating anything or separating people, but you know that all the Ghanaians, that part of Ghanaian that was African, they're Jamaicans. Maybe in the West Indies, they're all from the African region. No matter what they say, because they were calling this land the Negro land. That's what they call it, Negro land.
Yeah.
So,
all right. Now let's flip it back to the music. So, you're here in Ghana, and you've recorded a beautiful song.
Yes, sir.
How did you do that? Who wrote that song for you in the first place? And how were you able to master the language and sing in our local language?
That's a good question. I was inspired, and I will tell it exactly. This song was given to me when I was here last year.
Okay.
So I would say, sometimes I say that you write a song, you own a song. Really and truly, thoughts come all over, but the song was given by spirituality. So exactly that. I asked the Father that morning on the 22nd of January, exactly the 22nd of January, and the 21st I was trying to write it, and I had to record it the next day. So on the 22nd at about 5 o'clock I wake up, I didn't have a song. I said, Lord, I need a song. So because of me traveling all over Ghana and seeing the same problems and everything, it was there.
But it was so fast. If you should ask me, most of the problems that you touched on in that song,
yes,
there are problems with us, and it's like it's known to the core Ghanaian. You know what I'm saying? But for you, someone that just came in and you were able to identify all those problems and sing or write about it and sing, I mean, it's something else.
Yeah, because really and truly, it wasn't difficult because you've seen all these problems all over the world. But you have to recognize so that the lies that they tell on Africa it's not so. But you have to understand where you all you put it. You say you put up 10 man and you tell one man in the ear of somebody and say, yo, tell it to the rest of the man them. And by the time you reach the last one, the story has been changed.
Yes, distorted.
Exactly. So you really have to say, where's the truth? Who's a liar? So you see what I say? So therefore somebody's telling a lie and the truth is get mingled up in between. So you have a gem in the middle of a rubble. You dig to find it, that one gem, and when you find it, you're happy to get it.
Wow.
So that's why I'm saying the words that comes out of your mouth, you know, that it's not what goes in your mouth that defiles you, but what comes out of your mouth that defiles you. And I realized that everybody and every individual, if we just be careful what we're saying and we understand and see what is there and it's really there, don't talk what's not that there. I just mentioned before about if you tell the truth and you don't have to try to remember it.
Yeah,
so
man.
therefore the most important thing is that's where the music came from, and that's what I have to do. I have to write what I see and what I feel and understand to understand that this is a fact, and then people need to know, open their eyes and realize, because that's what the music's talking about.
All right.
Yeah.
So Revolution.
Yes,
yeah?
yes,
Revolution. Let's listen to the Tree version. Later on we'll listen to the other version.
All right, Jerry. Run it, Jerry. Run it.
Abusi amuntio enyum ni nie oto watwi mu.
Yeah. Aurora de Shirame. Abuche asawo ye hawimo. Yedi oshebe jinsiano. Amanifo emfaye no.
I love it when it's pow.
Abuche asawo ye hawimo. Yedi oshebe jinsiano. Amanifo emfaye no. Nia ehia omo
bottom.
Adepoti ehia foso. Ni oje busia master nema busia. Baby ya mekubia mehum emofra. Sesre adie eha mahunim. Na mechiche sika. Na ahawi tuacha rasta. Abuche asawo ye hawimo. Yedi oshebe jinsiano. Amanifo emfaye no. Nia ehia omuani amoboto rasta. Abuche asawo ye hawimo. Yedi oshebe jinsiano. Amanifo emfaye no. Nia ehia omuani amoboto rasta. Washman shre nansokwa na drin in the bedroom nansokwa adebechesa enso umpunta ajuma den enka ute enkum entatia empo omobo omokasa umbai ani
ose adwuma den entwa ute enkum atatia
yedi oshebe
apa
Nia omuani amoboto rasta. Abuche asawo ye hawimo. Yedi oshebe jinsiano. Amanifo emfaye no. Nia ehia omuani amoboto. Yasa tie yansa. Fa nimdie akuma. Nadie ubeko na meko. Na ubeda na meda. Aurora de Aurora de
Oh man. No, tell me. So everything about this song, like I told you earlier, it's just the actual reflection of what we see in our everyday lives over here. Yeah.
Yes,
and did you write the song like in English and you asked someone to translate it for you?
Yeah, I did write it in English, and then I told Owema Weje write it for me in. She asked her to do it, and she write it for me in Tree.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, that was it, and then I sing it. So yeah, it was amazing. Yeah.
Wow. So production and everything, was it done here or maybe you
Actually, I did it first here. Write it with King D, do everything, but unfortunately, we never get it to get it the way I wanted. So when I get back, I had some musician come over and redo it for me in my studio, and then I just edit, mix, and master it right there.
Right here in Ghana?
No,
in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's great. So now, K Genius, where or what level do you want to take this to? Are we going to see you like go around Africa and be doing music in all the local languages, or what? Or it's just going to be like Ghana?
No, man, that is a goal. I am more predominant to stay in Ghana.
Okay.
But to branch out is also the will.
Okay.
Because we're all one African people, but I love Ghana itself. So I am here. So I am here for the second term, and I'm trying to like do as much as I can. Okay. The idea is to open people's mind, like open the thoughts, spread the music like a tree, and let them know so this is what it is. Because just to know, I could sing the English, but also the tree. So if the tree, nobody don't understand, there's an English version for them to go and just check it out and say, yeah.
All right, so how can we get your music? For those of us listening, or maybe those who are listening to you for the very first time, they don't know about your songs, they don't know about you. How do they get to, have your songs?
Yeah, man, it's very easy. You go to iTunes or, or in all major streaming platforms, they can go there. All major streaming platforms. Okay. And just type K Genius. K-G-E-N-I-U-S. It's one word. Okay. K-G-E-N-I-U-S. To find me, go on Instagram. It's K Genius or Real K Genius, R-E-A-L.
Real K Genius.
Yes, one word. R-E-A-L.
On Instagram.
K-G-E-N-I-U-S or K-G-E-N-I-U-S. So they'll find me. Or just Google the name. Okay. K-G-E-N-I-U-S. Do not separate it. It's just one word.
One word.
One word only. So they will find me there or kgenius.com. You know what I'm saying? And all the buttons are there to press on all major, Spotify, YouTube.
Yeah, man. So aside that, let's say like if someone want to contact you, like call you on phone, probably put you on some show and stuff like that. I mean, is there some digit that we can reach you on?
Yeah, man, they can reach. I want my wage.
Oh my goodness. Alright, kid, Charlie, it's been nice having you around, anytime you happen to be around, just pass by. Let's have a vibe,
Jerry, listen, man.
Tell me something.
I love your vibe. Yeah, man. I love your vibe. Actually, I love the way you talk and the way you direct those solid messages towards the viewers. And I want to thank all your listeners for tuning in and giving me at least the little bit of I like to hear what I have to say, and I hope that you go and subscribe and follow. I hope them follow and continue to listen to your show, because you are enlightenment and your vibe and your presence is amazing.
Thank you.
Jerry Justice in the house. Give it up to the listeners, them to Jerry Justice. All right, Jerry Justice.
Oh man. So this is the English version of the song you listened to a short while ago, Revolution. Yeah, K Genius.
There is no time for solution. Maybe there will be a revolution.
Ofie Kwanso.
No time for solution. Maybe there will be a revolution. The politicians, them no care at all. But of them pocket for the people them about. The rich rule over the poor, and the borrower servants to the lender. Everywhere I go, I see the kids are begging, their garments dirty and my conscience kicking. And dollar at all. More people are come and them a ball rasta. There's no time for solution. Maybe there will be a revolution. The politicians them no care at all. But up them pocket while the people them a ball rasta. There's no time for solution. Maybe there will be a revolution. The politicians them no care at all. But up them pocket while the people them a ball. The watchmen watch it in vain. Things that will complicate the brain. And as the morning is just the same, I'm seeing tear dust, no rain. Hard work is equivalent to an ant. Don't get no dividends, just for the man.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
For solution, maybe there will be a revolution. The politicians them no care at all. Cut up them pocket while the people them a ball. Maybe there will be a revolution. The politicians them no care at all. Cut up them pocket while the people them a ball. Bow down, thine ears and hear the words of the wise.
Adom FM 106.3, Ghana's most authentic radio station. Hey, Adom.
I will go, and whether thou largest, I will not. Thy people shall be my people, and thy Lord, my Lord. There is no time for solution. Maybe there will be a revolution. The politicians them no care at all. Cut up them pocket while the people them a ball. Rasta, there's no time for solution. Maybe there will be a revolution. The politicians.
Tune it in, turn it up, rip off the knob.
Yeah, Aurora de Shirame. Abuche asawo ye hawimo. Yedi oshebe jinsiano. Amanifo emfayeno. Niya ehia omuani emoboto rasta. Abuche asawo ye hawimo. Yedi oshebe jinsiano. Amanifo emfayeno. Niya ehia omuani emoboto. Adefodi ehia foso. Ni oje busia master nema busia. Baby ya me kubia me hum emofra. Sesre adie he ha ma honim. Na me chiche sika. Na ahawi tuacha rasta. Abuche asawo ye hawimo. Yedi oshebe jinsiano. Amanifo emfayeno. Niya ehia omuani emoboto rasta. Abuche asawo ye hawimo. Yedi oshebe jinsiano. Amanifo emfayeno. Niya ehia
omuani emoboto rasta.
Watch one tray, Nanso
Yeah, man.
Nadrin in the bedroom, Nanso Kwa, and Ebeche Nasa.
Greetings, Jerry. Hope you're doing great. Please help me wish my daughter a happy birthday. She's Julie Na Amla Kwafo of Graceland International School, Bibuashi. She's 10 years old today. I pray for long life and wisdom. May all her wishes come true. Love her so much. From your mom, your dad, your siblings, and the rest of the family. We love you so much. I love your guest so much. Tell him he's one of my people. Rasta for life. It's all about love, peace, consciousness, and righteousness. One love. And this one came from Ras Askia. Oh, Askia, you go kill me. Charlie, let's meet at church tonight, yeah? And then you bring 6:30 pepe. Sorry. Pembem, we are meeting. And then you bring fireworks bar. You get together as men and pray. Give thanks to God, you know what I'm saying? Yes. Then you marry Ubi Amra. If you don't even worship with me this evening, come. Besides, I saw the Church of Pentecost. I will be from Stadium Road, Temakom to one. Mombrana, young Bompire, same member. We are Pentecost men's ministry. Trent, your friend Pemem. She and then you may have Bompire Pad de Radiase. Through be a 6:30 per and then you may. What is it?
Aurora Day.
Okay, so Brenna so say ye dey I irrigated sports and so etwaso amount we Ofie Kwanso dwumedi eso what I say na So be but nyametiase bibia be fine what I say bibia be fine but ni na mu no so abusua kai na hye no so say Adom live worship monthly fasting and prayer festival no so no ahyase nra na ahyase na ejinam sa ochina atoa so na ekoso here Odoko Gloryland Hotel on the Odoko Connection Highway no so na 5 p.m. each night. We are the end the bebaso during live worship time no so atiase na anwumre no pepepe na ejinam e wo ye Gloryland Hotel ho no song ministration Jack Halolo mijinemu afen so Celestine Donko Minister Paulo Francis Amu Benisansa omodoso so for Kwame Naidan na edi animu theme no was a covenant with the Lord. What I say tibomodia say unso de ho ebejimbie na bibia ebeko yi ede amount Adom live worship say God will change your story. God. Yeah, so anyway, so Yanfa I get sports and twaso na yanko yenim 24 and kasa sisia na fi yemi kwem yanko yenim.
Well, please, I get a sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. I get a sports. A papa. So listen to I get a stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too.
낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거
Kwadu ubemo weni ada ho
반전 있는 여자
Kwadu mekasa etijaza
낮에는 너만큼 따사로해 커피 식기도 전에
oh my goodness okay so
심장이 터져버리는 선어해
opani wie ni say na yama Nyamini Panso Abowrem no atwaso amaye.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha, I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. So mami.
Other for me din the CC Chum. Na de bia miti Irrigated Sports. There's no day minti irrigated because miti manage na me stress
No. Ofa.
The open program one Dede Hwam fast sports one the Irrigated Sports or Adom 106.3 FM. The FM Sir John.
Mo edasepa. Kwame.
Kwaku.
Akwaba.
Ya nia
ohuna mutu zen.
Wani tia say e won po anu dia ne say anwani mu ana kwaku yegu. Na say eno ho asem no. Na kwaku
na me ka say enanumre emema yeshia na ya bompa ne de rade ase e o masori so atase
emema nko a
say yewo emema ku say yewo say de maku yes ye fene pemem atase
pemem full meaning
Pentecost men's ministry
Pentecost
men's ministry
okay
atase
pemem
okay nti yeshia
nti ni twa de emema ku
nti yeshia nwumre na me yes announcement no sisia na Evelino the unbreakable France also Jerry please tell Kwame I am personally inviting him to the prayer meeting at your church this evening. Di Kwame
na say na birthday birthday
you funny birthday oh see you made it
before you go to church you have to prepare spiritually emotionally and psychologically
oh probably the show Kwame
me hu crofo mo timi free sorry I say ebedi mu to no no bia no mo ya me kwakwa who observe day now must be holy
no
kwakwa bi ko na say ametia say amakoye ne ma bia enye holy
entina no ba entina e ko bompae no enti all the unholy niema na aye ni na no ne akobom pae what you say
na mo na mo bom Ghana na
ya na je mpae de mpae nko na bom pae fa
dodo mpae
mpae bom mo bia tie ne be bom pae what you say e bom pae aderade ase what you say ye yi na ye asan de ho ahye rade nsa na ne bambo ay kese wo hen so
kwa kuku ni de ya mintimi ni nipa do mo mpae no mintimi mo mpae 5 minutes mintimi o me bo wiase me mo obi da
you can't pray for 5 minutes
why masabri am born to for me summarize
di o de bon mpae me fan say so ya no pa bon mpae bon say
me one mpae bo be am born for the past 21 years
and you are still praying that same prayer
na me bo
Kwame
me oba kwa me de sorry
Kwame unim
ana me oba kwa me
you fancy ya
ya so ni bumfu ya no na odi kura me ya kwa kude amene na mbusa
asebe ni
I don't who say Yankupo China 4 billion in so friend. To call in China what can watch you. And I go China for Yankupo.
Kwame, you fancy you are.
Yeah, to as well.
You response no.
Okay. And you go with the Amateur at tier 4.
Hey, asebe kwedi.
Ko ku say me Max no. Me ba da bia me de me nyi story bia makako kan kra de kwa Max.
Anyway.
I am a double.
African. Anyway.
Yeah, I did the double.
You go for animal why?
I know me sane
Rasta fu ye we mama sanitize bi na.
Also for Dan William picture me send ma. E ma won fa to soma atie for hwe. Na kwa kuhwe ni ye picture no de to so a mo pato mo Facebook na mo hwe picture no e ma me.
O che Donkan.
Ora Donkan Williams. Also for nyame nipa Donkan Williams. Am say picture
I do anu de o.
Na tade we no anu no de kwa kai tribute yo mampani dada. Jerry Doronis ntimi ye sure say ho e na wo twa say mfoni no. Na say wo hwe mfoni ni ye wo say Yerra Donkon. Donkan. O confront ma muti yam Donkon. O red Duncan Williams. Bo say o she Max no enfofo mi minim say mi mani na enya de a.
O ka boss mi elu.
Atiefo mo na o side ho. Kwaku an kasa ko hebi. He say ne ohunu no efa. Me hwe picture ni yi asa na me de mi hunu no. Me mani so de asa na me hunu. So ko hebi ma me. Na he say de me kan ya no kre. Ana say me boa. Picture no wo ho. Obo say because me hu enhoma no ase bed ya wo na esoro so bed ya na wo hwe picture ni ye kura no a odikan hye eye de nurse for ta hye bi ana odi fita ba ku ya na anu akwa bi fi abrochire be ni ba ku san butu so enti wadobro o hwe ni ye pa wadobro eye mask no ana me so for adobo de ame so ese me suasua but me person busa health expert ne say eye say nose mask no ayam hye ana say ayinti no be bom yenu aboso ana kwa kubi wadamfu bia ye secondary school no
ni siko bi waja ho na
wadamfu bia na o se condom double na me chese dabi doctor for say ade no enye tiwen so mo hwe
doctor be ne kai
so be no why bi da wo
me be say question is why bi da
na this case ne buy no
me say
I don't prove this case
me say oh
abakun kono kwaku obani
baisi
obani be yes
do mu ne say
ana wo fodi dada
me pa me ni mu abakasa hwe ade ndi o mu ne say hu say o hye sa N95 so wan
anase for de bi wase
na o de ba surgical one bi no aboso de hye kwaku bi o de
anu mo wase de hye kwaku we no wase ana fita bi na me wo bi no eboso
nti eno anu no say we de protection
na mo mienu sa
ontimi hu mi anko yin firi no no
da kwaku ya kirem kwala bie ese kwala bie school so use max
ba ko ya filter
why we do wase ko
ba ko ya filter
ba we so be say ase bo ba ni brace ba bi
no the fact is that won na bo hwe anu no hwe me say ade yes I say me ba say me she
yale ne bi ma da onti wo mo kira kwan kran no mu so ma dwen
kwame se me ko gym na me she ade ya bra me bre no etie no sa no me ron kakra na ma pia fi gym ho aba bonten ma betwe from ami kakra sa because anu enti so obi ho a de papa yi se ne ho menete a enye obi na be chense onne ho kakra what I say it is okay why are you complaining
kwa put say condom you know so a udi agrebedi udi agrebedi say only oba da na so condom you know boss wa obetimi dey that but it's not a right way to do it
first you are
no I don't want to I'm not dwelling on the man I'm only concentrating on the mask but has a
it until obi be share condom you e dey around na wan she bi kura no so
yen shani mienu
da bi me se na wan she bi kura no so
utimi se kan bu mienu se
na wa she ba kro de ro na ate
Kwaku, ultimi she can boom you because on Papa does.
There be socks me you ultimi she.
I know they now 9 compa.
Socks me and mitimi she. There be me compa bom. Me tu kwa me ko Europe say do bia mitimi ka socks boss me ensa wo ma she. Yeah. That mean na mo.
Ye she tata so de enye boni ho.
Etinum ni de okan me hu de opesa o kire yi.
Ebinum boni tu.
Brazil mienu.
Oh yeah.
Ene opani usia niema. Ade mi sisu mi share bi da.
Ene me mi share.
Aba ha wakopo Brazil mienu.
Oh yes, we say man on be ka kire.
E dia ba ko ye first year na.
Oh. Mi si Brazil, ade mi hu Brazil anza mi hu.
Ene opani usia niema. Kwa hu bi da.
Enye so hu.
Ende mi nchia. Me ankasa mi nkohia no da bat. E de na e new under the sun.
No, I'm trying to understand why you put on double brazier.
So baba ko na pe hu, so oche no. Especially the fast rosé. The fast side and side. Also very wave no. Wave no breath.
No breath no.
Now you can see any.
Very easy.
Already, I'm a penny that Jerry John Rollins. Abra and I, your credit, you crack. Now, a branch yes on the bad, you sell him no. Nenyo bene
sasa no ono ari de bandu na adwen no akire ntino fancy baby na
se kromo en adwuma ye nya grofo adwen opanyo obeka ni 6 o'clock ni nyina grofo adwen bo na obeka ho asem ntino kwaku papa di kire se Rollins wa bobra pa na nka ono nko apemu dia nka aye kotoka international airport yasa sadin ni enye no Jerry John Rollins
entina eyo no nko ani pemu na yi na epemu
na ode aya de se dia ode to omampani anim no saka kan ho se onim se nyame ebeka his excellency akoma amana yesa abisade no na ade ba ko kan na mesere se o se ayesa no a Jerry John Rollins din no empankrofo no muda eti ebia wo Heathrow airport
me ba che ti ade bi wo ha aya na hwehwe nim no doso dodo
o wade
o masa
my way also of course for the abutra
oni abutra o me dem abutra
once na why ntimi
o masa onya imi
ara hu na che
adam nim no ti de mu ne say we are we advocate for sadi
oh yeah there
o advocate ti de mu ne say
open was o there
o advocate
so wa enya mana mbo break ti de mu ne say opani ankasa imuiti wi UDS on kra ne nam no so ma ade bae na no ina fellow Ghanaians say opani ade yem fa odin tu so monto no bom oya I was thinka on pa din tu so Jerry Rollins is there bi won pe
fans bi wanya ne fans ya
also on pe e na papa yi kra wo hwe na hwe ne time why na di mampani dodo a chen papa yi enti no onu say no oyo obi anko pesa na ma na anko be ron ne ma ne bebrede ni dia tutu so o bro bi antimi nka hwe
on the park no pe
wa branko bi antimi nka hwe so atiase no ma na Rollins Park sa ne say aye ya enti no onipa no so ompe eno nipa e wa ko ni krechi afi do ko ni krechi a eno kra na ye sheda ye ono kra nam so e bai afi na di obi eno obi di na so no your friend University of the Ben development studies enye di da so no obi adi mpo na so
come DJ Rollins
na we die airport no obi di da so da no wo so advocate say enko yi onipa ko di free so fo bi e de ben amunya isa
beta o USA Virginia I said I'm watching you live where do you get all these words from? Where's Ben?
Tadia no waka.
There be was words.
Words I Tadia na say no waka was.
Obi say words.
Obi can words.
Spell na me where.
On can where we say where.
On that where you get all these words from.
Debbie.
Words. Okay, word.
When am I dinim?
Okay, on na dream say word.
Where say you are wearing something.
But there be was something mean can.
Words.
The woman say enkraba come on say Joe Biden. When ye inaugural service. When chess and any part do na mask no one no double.
Jamaica for na dia ba.
Inti we nya dia ye wanwa. Was one for tipai. What you see?
Trump is him so
if that is the way, then we all follow. What you say go.
Open your chop and so your role model. Ana
oh, you role model no.
And to so ya dia nya no
so. And me bu say health professionals no so no. E dey no work fa ho say max le be share asanche.
That one musu doctor dey na ya rewe mai.
I just was a real boy and country. Obi ni kaza so say a real.
They say omo school say no musua doctor die na bia omo ni bebre asua bibia fa ho.
Kwaku media the antia me be share double ne say information ya saka ne say eye COVID-19 no aye wa wie kura ho ato no wa hwe yi a ukwaku na nya sunsun sanso
se enye adwuma biem
doctor fo bebre de kire se omo masam yare mpo wie a ho kofie no
se na asa
Miwana so miwana
Baba nyumba ku se yare afere
tu owo no ba yare
owo ni abawi yare afere
o fa no no de kwa se na asa e dia yare bone no
serious papa
eye wa ho ato wa wi
na obema no nyaduma
enye we nko na kum kwaku no
na okay na oba so eye ni wie na wanya nwu ono so e
man de nwu o
ewu jai
ya ewu ewu say
obefre na onti
ma ube ma na kwede obeti ube ma na kwede obeti
say you want marry ho
hey information about no say there was even a program on CNN Enra omo asha say advice general public ne say be ya ube on the safer side no be ya wo share sa we mass na share 2 okay enti ya me say advice no pani etie ya wa share ni mienu
ono advice me the mom ntem uze advice best ka fo ni nya hiafo no be do hiafo so yare akukum enti pani so no mo ye say dia and na say but I say aside erectile dysfunction no COVID-19 may cause male infertility.
Okay, so ebi abetimi apem eso no ene se dia dis on kan fa no sa o
se man bia onya sikire yade na opani osora no pa ohunu mi loyi na make it kom no se sikire adrenyensa no de gum no ne man si papa
ejela wo yare ese
wudi wonu ze die wani be frozo se man ni friend ntina me wo bebe mo so mu no mananta na ba ko so bae to hwe ne papa niam wo enumodene ade a esite ade ni die ni sa ade no o se papa yesi ade na ye kura betima bubu kura wan hwa ekuru tu nan a egu bi etie kwa kwotwa onan o so mo beto hwi cha mame etini bo to so miensa no se papa yesi ade no esite di dia kwa akira etimi kun kot ekun be man e wa no sorry transi yo se ene yare ne na nini ne na ne be ba ka se we ni be no so ene yare ne hu
but actually dey o kan mum do ye anka no mum kra ye se unya bi wi a o fertility no ene be issue but
wo wi ntina akasa
anka obetimi apem na wan ye yikwa na se we no kodu to no sa no de ende be ha dwen pa
I say e gina na wo se ne posino tuna
why Jana mwa
what the guy from Liberal dada say wo pim gu
we no ba be jem dia
kwa ku da bi normally no say low sperm count e ko tira
unim yengum ni bi dia ni ga o be ma
say low sperm count
ma obi
kwa ku say low sperm count e bi ko tira erectile dysfunction
oh ma say ja he enipa be minimum obi a ono onwo yi won si na yi ne enso masa am I waiting what
others again the bibia beto
oh mate jai oh
kwaku the fact
once I be kwa ba no ko ade once ade no be kwa ba nko anu de wo de ka no ye
the fact of the issue is a system but into the reproductive system ni nyina ye adwuma bom ti say when you be baby at a point in time, it may affect other places, you know. Now, Dr. Justice Youngson, so or the chest say, or say, or say, the cells within the testes. That is where testosterone is produced. Generally speaking, that is what makes us men. How do you know? When you but who's from there?
Now I can say on the hunya.
I want you want to say
on only also Baba.
Mana a put or den soon.
I put there
or den soon.
That is and never was true.
And you know, a better transport if I you know. Peppers, no.
Sorry. Piri wait so.
MDK.
It was testosterone. Testosterone. Generally speaking, that is what.
January opening. January, I can't say
generally speaking. January.
Kwame, Mitawachi.
January speaking.
Kwame, wait them Mitawachi. Kwame Mitawachi.
Generally speaking, that's what makes Africa.
I don't know what kind of
so when the cells.
The testosterone how
the testosterone was
what is that? The testosterone also no. Form one and also how
what the problem now?
When it mean produce I had.
But it has a common inflammation be bowel system. Now,
now, also, yeah, Osre amount 40. Say who dey say na
una dey request do chop ten na nteni I dey wey say do na
also you overrun here
na so me chop akora dey me say we say me chop
kwa
we dey wo
say me
no to jani ya wo ti o
kwa ultimi fa kwa mitiwe entre camera sa
okay e wo dey me fa entre camera
satam kwa dey me nyes ka sa kwa dey so uni scout ti so dwanti
it is ata no ti so dwanti
satam we dey me sika man
eza kwa mi sika ba nanka
Emma sana na yasin ra
se na no ada na afiama kwakunu Lawrence Tamaklu or me picture bi a picture no dem emma na me no me hwe saa na me friend am say Enzo nyamia ye bi pa me picture 2011 you here picture na o de me to here 2011 o de hwe me pa na hwe me sunchem da me tin de na ye say o di e hwe o de hwe
ono ma na dwukoko
me no mo yi ma chi masa na o de hwe ne yi a jo ehu etiefo mo hwe kakra na nyamia ye bi enye izo
wa fruit koko 5 cd
aferi yeah me internet hame me ba me hwe se bibia be kama na no story ba kwa mo de we story na
enti kwaku we de Ghana for me de to my name is Sraom
me pa cho obia so ono owo ibia onko Facebook na onhia me na story na me de ba no we obia nhia mo Facebook
if for not any reason cry you just say covid no wanya ho ato awie no enye sunsuaso boni bebre e wo nipadua akwa aso including ubema and your ability to reproduce it must say no smacks no yanyere won yenhye yensa no yenhohoro afei so social distancing ade ade nyina ye observe na abeboa ye nyina papa ni fa de twem
ma je ko ya ade enti we see the rate at
which je ko so kra dere ne de je ko se
me si je ko ese be kasa no ma edit ya na
ba we de de asem kra ni mi ana me se beta wa jia fe de ni je ko je ko
you go back bia mete I will be pama so anza na made
ono di company
raise the rate at which people reproduce. I think COVID-19 will be good for them. Permanent family planning. Banana from Danubian Fashion Center, Tabura Alhaji. Banana. Enyum no meto ne chorus no kakra bi akere bi a obehu sa anyum na jayo de awuye boni ayeye yeden bedadio omo nim nyum no de omo a o kan asem bi fa nipa bi omko wi obi edwan
when yes when cash na
so kai sa
makai sa ro
yes bi o ye bi also ye careful
ma yesu na makasi
akoni story na wanyum no ye fine na opani asem yesi ababa bi oni ni kurutio na okra ni kunu ni so ne boss say ene no onya adwuma ma no enti adwuma no be enti obeche wo office kakra na obi oni nyina akra be kwa di na preko
oni ne boss
e be kwa di na preko enti oni ni kunu no edi ko na ni kunu so aduane no be na e wontwa na o hwe aduane no eja se ne o traffic tafre na no enye hwe na ababa ni twa photo no se wanwe ho ankwa enti se ba cho photo na eda fe ntesi a no de zoom photo no zoom photo na chance in the emotion. And you need the youngest, you are no can get and say,
wait a minute, Miss Agumiti.
Oh, I come in, it would some chance in a sin chance. On the boss, or more yet, man. I tell for Munko and already. More Munshana when you are dancing of. I know, go try. It will try piano. Jaco Sanfato, Jaco Sanfato. Oh, man, now. Jaco Fato. Zoom. Hey, what a zoom, what a day, but wait there. Dear, now, who the chance in Pacho? Commentary, no, from the castle, be a tough ready, and that can say, maybe I second. This is a castle means Zoom. I will picture another who story in Zoom. I mean, who said no. Aquano or book credit. David Candio David Gano 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 ni phone or di trap picture no a reflection of girl Nankasa Edda said the original plate no to say the original hwe ni take picture no e na girl no obi also okọ ne boss ne birthday party no we dey we yi no ho after I can't plant pension no bonzam na tin e no di ade no on se pant o se dey pant ase ona efian chese ni kedo chese from head to toe enwina atwa ve on me ka se pant ura so aduane na se man ne dey fruit no odi ama no ho ade no da bepem oba no so awe chiche hey around me say gubiti give we pa Enti say entro no die tre ne boss no say oh say bema no cry no wan sheda oso de aduane a wudi twa kire me keke oh eni wudi wanu mu enti aduane a wudi ni twa kire me o wie na o say so free back hey oba no say free man David bema no free back jeez abre no oba no so afi no so zoom picture na wan fa bi ani be si na say me gase won go fie hey chara ade we there. Now you want to say naked. Oh, there be say na ebiana as we crack can say. Just say it could be some man you su kura wi ansa na fe we be padu ani bi dey po. We are win here. I just say we mu. Say say stroke bi na be che papa no pa ni moni. Eh, stroke chire crowd ne sa ba kika. Obe wada so. Obe se bit am dance. So stroke bi na be che na ni moni mu here. No. I am Kessie pa. Share. This morning. Please forward the picture to me. I am driving and can't go Facebook. No. I get it. We are at papa hey! This is serious. My name is Onua sister. Kwaku. Hey! We know there say we are no Nyankopon kwan ofa so. Oba no kwan na fu ase aye no operation pen. Hey, oba wa for. Wow. Boss if you are kama. If you are kama today. What me dey fly pa. Ore atosodia egu. Sweet after me. And ember dessert no. Emu ye. We a honi be ya send one. Mami cha. Asemuni. Cha Samire nchi wa. Oh, Samire nchi. Sky, mami cha no. E boss no. Kwaku. Yey. Asemuni so ma we see. Asemuni. Kwaku, remember be so to be a mistake say o. Say eyi na no adana girl bi so de no. Akasa won ha dwene picture yi. Say ono so akoboy no a won aron. Ena o take picture. So atiase. Na boy no etinechi. Ana chese. Waye eyi ni se wo twa selfie to oba ne kura no wo twa selfie no. A wo de kire na danfo. Ti se na boy no so no. O sorry atnas no ye say no na ne kwaku no. Ebe da ne sre no ha. No sorry. No sorry say o fire wie na ntu oba de tuma na ye say keke. Ti ebi gu no de se na ne kwaku na yi afa. E ho say. Ti o twa selfie na o de ade ne send we afi boy ne ye you say no my thing is there na e koda da. Akoya de e chei. Say obi won to the internet na fast. Pa toss one na download. Hey. Say ebi won ma WhatsApp say e kwa utimi ye fast say etike na ye. Obi am ready. Say tiny blue pen na say e kokra. Aduma na say. Obani movie on my researcher be na what you for research my
some of the bar one research you say me count when you
say akoda intelligence e mu be 70% of free ni ma me ho
akwala there
akwala intelligence
se na nyansa ne sala
be o mu chemu dio
cognitive development no
70%
of free ni ma me ho nti
ti o for ba na so ba no
wa o check o wife na o girlfriend na o hwe se eya na se ye ho ana o hwefu
ne je se enye obi na se one ne wo se sa je research way true there
what you say
eh
ti wa mfa oba o yes matter na say
so far the man de bia omunyi na bia be sa bia but say de omunni ngoma pa so far the ngoma sam ko ni me no na the most important
so omunyi na
mi se bia kwala na mi ni made ba mi no na fe de
eni man do so ade ba ko ni say akola ye intelligent
that's why my kids are smart zuna obinya wa enti oni abayiwa bi twempna e wo wadwum say da twunya na obero na ohwe na ode efaziwa
ebia no body pa
so na you know e wo form mahula say ayi de brother Samika che oje
na adwene wo form say na anu mi say oje be show bi o UK a virtual concert bi o UK na me say o
that's why you form say na concert
adwene ba na usually go show ayi asema ka be beken wo ye grandma me refi asemi enipa bi ya ade bi a enye fine yema penda da rollins we unsu free mochi na yeye na we say wo ho a omuhu obi a oye kokko a ebi a wanom san kakra
when se courage
ni photo abaso jeje
when you se courage
ba ko bi obi e wo se fa ni jeje ba we interview ni mi hu ni tira mi hu ne na
o me prom so courage
eno kra de nkenhye da nya yi se nipa bi ahye de trotro na jeje mponie
na mahama
se de osi ne oh
na say it is all over why you can
oh the one ne ade asema kwa me na nanka ya o tai
asema me twi me hu free mu
o twi mu free mu kra nya yi
kra nya sa na ka me
wa na de ba eti ade eyemienu sa ade na ekọ circulate o social media on beja omunyai emienu
otuko no jollof di die nyina se nyina o
da bi eso no se ndem fa ema no ho de na emienu
ema na emienso
da bi tie o da bi nye papa we de na meka de wan de sre man de on de sre unapo no de om de sre no na meka no om ye no om se na jeje mponi ene na unapo de ene nka bas ma na wende ba ne ade a eno ye one na second one no we be say na VIP boss na second one no onipa kono ye ndede akwa na dwenye kro no say jeje self be this. Then I pray that Muhammad will live forever and he will not die. Because also on the Unyakope, a bear one constituency.
Israel need the
that's I don't know where Romunia is a
now Jerini and the Copano one picture.
Bound himself, wouldn't any person say, wouldn't any party say,
I don't know, Nam, on it, wait for the number, for the number.
Baako for ben
on Jerima for na nam no so we na
ne mafo for de ben
Jerima na kasa na nam on family na nam we hu se
ze na ton crofo no
hwe kwaku hwe on de babaje o freeze
say enipa ni pass
e na me ke there was a time my sister nurse no
o freeze no ko me na ka jeje na asa so
kolebu won e na
o say ayi lady bi wo ayi TV hey me person me body department no obani wawo baby boy na hu akwala na ene me bayi photo yi se ni
wa down for no
ha
wa down
o madam for pa so se ni kun hu ayi me photo
o bayi photo ya ayo bet match ho man so
o kwa ko se ni sika kwa I'm telling you.
Ba o madam for.
Oh madam for.
And send the difference.
So send me the fia kopa.
And send the difference. This can't be. Say what you mean cause papa akwala o tina we.
O de ye o be godu aye twaso.
You come na kusi say.
E dey asem kra ni.
Papa ni ko jeje onya hwe o. Me the mayor president of Ghana.
19 years.
For 19 years.
Asatem Krana region here.
Jeje kura wanya hwe. Jeje oye den.
Bisi mi krom dis.
You got them kwala no kwala mbati.
When you be on krom.
80 years president.
80 years or 81.
80 years, 81 kids.
Odopa be upon line my phone no go.
Wo de o ti mo. Am bon wonder me.
Oh, ni mai so titire pa ni ade a.
Gwa go de kwala onya hwe.
Ba award e eye o.
Obi ankasa award nye. Ba wo ti be nwo keke.
Ene na wiase no aye dintia.
Sese enema mu odin. Sese enema mu odin. Say wo be wo na asetre mu odin.
Yeah.
Say asetre mu odin. So be wo bebre no ne hwe no. Mo hwe mu.
Say ne ntina yese ensako na ensaba no. Ati ase.
Anka ye wo bebre sa.
Nti wo bebre dia no aye ho akade. Say dwuma na ne wo bepe ni.
Woni asa sa hu wi asa say enyina atifie ba ko mu. Ane aduane ane ye nsuo egu ankrem. Eti wo bebre na so odwe ho say mo na wo na beti affect ada
me je oba bia kutu zafo no.
Go to in China.
Level Ghana ya. Beti ma chiro bro no bia so okoso na akoka sa asem me chiro.
Kwa kuni za na make. Eti sa China policy ni.
Ofa da kuma ho a. Da kuma street no.
Asa ye kra.
Yo baby on ma when go abontin say ya baby o beda ko so correct children.
Children obey your parents.
Every week ba ko ba.
Enye emwa o mining puntu.
Eti dia wo kan we no. Wan age no.
O mi so ni guess picture me di chow say guess na kan. Picture me di chire wi. Ba ko na kan.
Enye miss chese wan age no.
Si enye na ba ko ya enye nu efunu go am na hwe bi o. What's me him papa me say get away.
Baba say you know there. At least na so ordinary people crack or here.
There be on cap list to me ko hwe no ho. Or the papa sam na e ma
public or public.
There
be on status no person changing no mo so.
Entina hair. But no, how they were preventing hair now mu pushy no near.
They have to prevent
no. Elsewhere, she would have been escorted. I want to mean question. Oh, how many people will go and make this claim? No, Kwame, no. How many people will make this claim? No. Obias. Oh.
I will say, who say, can change usual say or no say.
Who will wait about where you're sending about Obama?
I will say, when in a rap, won't you know? And this is
many in a rap.
I'm crazy.
Many in a rap, won't say. I'm a downfall.
Yes, we're bank.
Many no pictures near there.
Madam for pan.
Madam for.
It's Madam for pan.
Madam for problem here, no.
On a Joshua.
On the Joshua.
I'm not funny, and now here I proceed this Libo TV zone.
And then in TV, and then in TV.
And I'm here, I camera.
Na yeguso ya na yenya awo.
Me the message be trans woman send him.
Omo send me say
obeni.
When the message send the omo ya de pa.
Asia de no se mo ana mo send ya.
Message there. Omo ya pa.
Obeni manenkan.
Say your DSTV Ghana number is due in 2 days. Connect now to keep enjoying sports, NBA and ESPN.
Yes. Me the end there.
Last week I mutual school fees. I must send this message.
Me enya is due grass am grab me due up.
And is dull. Thousands of due.
When it's finished.
Me the end there. Upon one. Say omo ya na say na me wa no send him so me nkona me nkotu ase de be a pop up channel for Jerry Rollins e metimi ai still am fi and the omo asa de aba no so say Chelsea. Anyways, okay, boss, okay, enti body chain and they say the only mobi kra face mask near there.
Within the Alfred Sapon.
Okay, Alfred Akwaba. Ya think apa say multi choice for more ye name bi say more ye wonders near there. Most sancro for shebrim and the keke kan ho a. Eti boy come campaign be na mo dia be na e ho come to say.
Yo, that's it. Campaign na ye dia ba no. Yeah, for DSTV and go TV subscribers.
Okay.
And it say yeah the campaign aba ye ka say tia on next package near my package ID so for DSTV customers no. It is all DSTV access, DSTV family, and I said DSTV compactor. With the tia de etwa so no. You be mau dia etwa de etwa so so
it you find say me access na mitua me access na
baby
ana me kotua
family
near my
compact
and mitua family na e be ma me compact and I say me wo family na mitua for compact
e be ma compact
na mama me compact plus and na me wo compact na me kotua for compact plus nso a na etwa me ato premium
that's all
oi Charlie
where are you
and I say
me sorry premium kotua
and na go even so
why am man say my dream my senka
this is our dream go TV so they can say to your 60 cedis package be also from light to plus na yen phone cop go TV max price na nka say 70 okay. You so at about 60 cedis so we are disconnected go TV customer now light plus or your friend is saying value so and I say what disconnected and I say go TV max no so we dey to 60 you better connect to
wow
to go TV max for 1 month.
Wow. Now why this campaign? I don't know what you say.
Okay, so campaign we shall here and then in our tribune we are 14th.
Okay.
Now yeah to also go see 31st March. The campaign na yeah the other customers I say they appreciate you more for the fact someone at na during the time of the COVID times throughout the Christmas festivities till now. I don't want to
oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. In that case, no. Subscriber obia I want to qualify for this
obia qualify.
Okay.
But for DSTV no. So DSTV compact, DSTV family and a DSTV accessoire who qualified for it. For Go TV Max, for Go TV Plus, Go TV Lite and Go TV Value who qualify for it. And that's what disconnected Go TV. That's all. Regardless of the package also we are disconnected at 60 cedis you better connect to the what to max package and so
but yeah in a situation where I me say na etire yipa e what time bia abusuafo no tie ba na and saa time no the TV na busy ntie na edu ona na say me pagem kakra na but ebia edu say ko coming ko a me akra bu a be say 2 weeks run TV kwa me so any ade so if me pese me downgrade me dey me pese bia me ko tua for sa ina eno no so me so me dey me ndey
here so be downgrade so if you only finance some person will take advantage of this so they stay where you are.
Okay.
The way you're active on the package now so there's no need to downgrade.
Oh, okay. Okay. So for how long sir step up campaign yamudia be
okay so na me kind no you shall say now 2 weeks ago yeah to also see 31st March.
Oh, okay.
It's kwan wom kakra as see as utumi tu asisia busumi no wa that's the period 1 month period and yeah obetimi asa take advantage of this offer.
But bia ba mitrim yemfa ne say o de me yemfa no DSTV de bia me wo compact na me makotua for compact plus so what I say na che say no you move me e de me akọ premium now me am wo premium dada no me so how do I benefit from because me on the see premium no e dey bi
no premium near the highest package until for premium and now unfortunately a compact plus subscribers no so they almost to me enjoy sa offer
the compact plus for any premium for no
yes
okay
no almost to me and enjoy sa offer but your exciting pop-up channels are be a static show to say James Bond.
James Bond there no emu pa I know to when
and till end of this month.
Oh, okay. Because my say the other day na me hwe ba ku ya san sampum dey underground. And I'm saying go for you dey adwen dey agrachi. Okay.
That's one of the advantages compact plus ni premium customers no ewo. So na the other channels next month unveil another channel Honey channel.
Oh, okay.
No. Fortunately, compact plus compact customers will also be able to enjoy. And we have some offers coming up. It will be focused on compact plus premium customers.
Okay.
So once they are up, no, you be bomb kai.
Mami bisa sa question we.
You bisa.
Subscribers no. assurance bɛn na wobɛtumi da mama sɛ okay because what can you say who's a me cry and I'm so only and yet mammy Korean I'm in wrong precona obi on more cars and the near gin mammy tua the next one or said the bear may be the call higher near the assurance not my mouth was there and you be out and pampa and definitely you be elevated to the next week because be a woman so because you are in a face too maybe out now and upgrade your franco baby every one hour and day.
Okay, so yeah, Utia Unya SMS.
Okay,
I confirm say you've qualified for the offer. Now, within 48 hours, and a year upgrade now. Until Utia, you won't be automatically upgraded.
Okay.
But my 48 hours within that.
Also within 48 hours, a bit ticket, please. Okay.
Maybe you work a higher package.
Okay.
The SMS never confirm say indeed we qualify for the offer.
Oh, okay, that's good. But there are places a bit more big family houses near there. Obakoshe now or the coders bear 3. Oh, all in Ebia Papa no Ufioni Edin. The Papa no na there near there, but more Ubia enjoy you. It sa 3 decoders nina no. Ewo Papa ni dim. In this case, obetimi anya benefit no for ne 3 decoders nina na e bi ono no one pe and obetimi anya sa akonya no. Also.
Okay, obetimi anya all the 3 decoders offers on it. It doesn't matter. So even 3 different houses with 3 different decoders.
Yeah.
That's it. Even if they are on different packages, between access and compact, you should be able to enjoy.
Oh, okay. Yes. Okay.
And no problem, crowd.
And then I wait and come up. Me says in Bisa beam. I say the extra margin and my baby muanti. If there's any other thing, be other opes or the can one of young fan common area. Okay,
you make a count and say, yes, sir, your customer said, you should continue to stay with us. Your interesting programs coming on packages, on several channels. Seen a Yedikan so Europa League next season, DSTV. So there's FA Cup going on in a few weeks. Champions League, but there are a lot of channels that are coming up. Very soon we'll be launching our own Aquaba Magic. So the exciting times ahead. And so they should continue to stay with us. Now, make account and say your pay buddy
points, yeah.
Or several communities. So they should patronize them. Or area bina say any support from DSTV or GoTV or the common honour with all the support you need. And I star 759 hash and so over to me you should cheer for your DSTV or GoTV package. DSTV. That's all we are new we are customer of DSTV. So Tobia. Text DSTV or GoTV to 1731. Okay. By your office. With your text it. Stay home. You better contact. So we'll do all the arrangements and we'll come and install for you.
All right. Yeah, that was a pa. No more sempa. Na we de sempa papa so anti. Yeah, no man fu na yeti na supom. Ti be take advantage na. Ye de ho agim na aja. Yetimi upgrade the akoko and enjoy akoko.
Also, with the now one time so.
Oh, you there?
Download the DSTV app.
And no cry time na me nya there cry. And then come the call control with you crowd. We'll do it now. You said the be na because some me take advantage me na me enjoy kakra na there. That's a part.
Yes, that.
All right. Abusha yɛn fa yɛn common in sia na fe yɛn toa so enko yɛn anim yɛn fast that kese my proud Royal drinks we drinks are to say aba edwa so a papa emu de ye na ye wono flavors pi na and ye royal apple, royal cola, royal orange and afi ye wo royal cocktail so e kan ho. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors. Royal drink, or see you go like them. They are available in a shop near you. for just 2 cities 50 pesos. We another quality product fee Casa Precon Company Limited, an ISO certified company. About your so pedro phrase 0262 351 251 and our phase 0272 133 373. Yeah, trust me, fast day, your man Nokia, and they all the new Android smartphones. I bet you saw Nokia 1.2, and Nokia 2.3, 2.3. No, you want Nokia 2.4. Yeah, now 2.4. No, you only 32 gig and you only 64 gig and so on. Until the OPBR now I work out 2 matches when you more and I walk around. Yeah, man, more megapixels until unya quality videos, near pictures, come up. And our long-lasting battery, as you already know, is to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other apps, perfectly well. On sa account there, when you jump off, when you want baby, to mobile phones or my phone, baby. Okay, also put the new Nokia Android smartphone CB. Okay, Odoko traffic like Georgia phones are Mrs. Obin or best ever. Come on, Nokia, it just keeps getting better. Yeah, trust us, radio from Go TV. Go TV say big things are great, so men settle for small things. Nina and say La Liga this year games Nina. Oh Nina, come on. Timansan can Go TV decoder full set for only 109 Ghana cedis. Wait me upgrade to Go TV Max. Say I'll be the best in sports, best in entertainment, best football leagues near the idea. So Jagumwe and yeah, feel caught na pub baby at now fear. Then enjoy action in on your Go TV. Wait me connect to our brother use Go TV app. Yeah, my Go TV app. I pay by the point and a mobile money agent. I would have been Go TV. Leave it, love it. Happy birthday going out to Miss Mercy Abba. Oh, now, yeah, Liberian warrior commander, College of Education, a PhD student of the Department of Information Studies, University of Ghana, and CEO of Mothers Kente and more. May all your wish for yourself come through from Dr. Ebenezer Ankara. And this one here says, Mr. Mason, please wish my sweet mother-in-law a happy birthday for me. She's one sweet, fantastic woman. This is coming from Mr. and Mrs. Dankwa. May the good Lord continue to bless her for us. She's at Mangwase Community 2. But Nidina Gazangasa de MPU. Anyway, mommy, Mr. and Mrs. Dankwa say, "Omo, wish you a happy birthday." Why? If you are wasi, Mr. Ben Dankwa and Chen. Please, yesterday was Esther Akosua Ofuriwa Esrifi of Legon IPS birthday. Please wish her a belated one for us. I pray for wisdom for her, wisdom for her academics. I love her so much. From Auntie Vero. Okay. Mrs. Veronica Boating. Happy birthday going out to the CEO of Givers Scientific Herbal Clinic and your wife, Madam Gifty Boche. Doctor said you are the most treasured and important woman in his life. Wow. May God bless you for being such a great wife and a mother as well. From your children and all staff of Givers Scientific Herbal Clinic. To you, Madam Gifty Boche. And for the very first time in a long while, my good friend, Papa Few, Esophagus, I send the birthday dedication, and this one is as simple as a birthday message could be. And it reads, "Happy birthday to Rudolph Kofi Gadogbe, from your dad, Nyebro, mom, Nadu, and sisters Meg and Manuela Gadogbe." Very simple. Other ones need a bar, massa. Obeka sentence back where we know it was also. What? Anyways, Abusia ya twaso na ya fan komo kakra num na dia ka no. But ene eye me diet tabako pa ne birthday. Yes. Mr. Dominic Ban Eyim, Director of Operations at the Microfinance and Small Loan Center. Maslog. Yes. Director of Operations Dominic Ban Eyim. One fine gentleman. He knows what's up. Openi Yamisha Wate on Ton Kwandem na umyebi kwa kesi ma ewo Yesu dim. Enjoy your birthday, boss. Okay. Na empo mputizai
obade adom bibia boko
ye da nyame ase pa se enen so de wa ba be kan yensa na abusuafo ho te sen de
obia ho ye kama
great. Yamon komo.
Medasi waja okasemu no ama medie di kan ye de enchia sonko ebe free time herbal center for ya so ye e de abre Adom FM tiefo ne adofo nyina enen so obade ama ye kwanse ye metena se ne ye meche apomuden komo twetwen no yakoye ni pei ye kase yi apomuden atonchen ya enye ye ntina day in day out bia mote yenka ne ye chechire makwan se mo fa so se de betumi aboa mapomuden me pacho uye nipa anasa otiatas asasi so no wanwene wapomuden ho pe ka hu se bedru mre bi no sire se wo sire no ntumi ensre ye bonyom kura se ka utumi ji wani amose wo da ho na se ye wasum dede ntina se ma hu se apomuden ehia onfefo ekwa ebe ye den pa gbo se wo hwom no mo kopa bo wani na nisuo ti se wo ntumi ne omo enko na omo kro makwa aba no wo sire bi kro omo ho mka se ehu wani sori na ekobi na eba ne se na bu se yare ho eja so obi benya wa na efiyare ma me ne wan se fiyare me pacho entenase na da yare be kan beto na obi hu adofo hu atamfo sisi ade ono ne ko eba mosre no onye chese odofo no yare kan to na mo se ni pe chese oyo fitimi mofra se wadom ya besi sam pempenso yi fese yare kan pe na ho aye hin fese abe no untimi enkontu be hia mo afiri afoforo ho time herbal center for yempese ebeba ne sa eno ntine de ebibidro aba yesi bobobi no bi na ensiesie woni padua no me pacho se malaria na etete wa eye time herbal mixture anase immune system na opese ye strong yare edunya yare eteto yare account ato me pacho abraba bubo K engine herbal capsules no immune system ne strong utese onkwamo ne ejina brane yare bie no betumi abeteto me pacho yen starting free time herbal mixture de ntia ese ukotobi enom no enie na before se beba so no je number obi o tikem enche obesi form obe hu be hia pass obetre number na chese waje brane adaje afren na wotumi achechero ha yare eteto no achirima ache ne so tumi amo drama ho tumi atọ ya number ni 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 me patcho de ntia se koto time heba mixture na nom no de ntia ye se koto ni enie ebebo ni padua no ban ebeji wo afri atidi yare ho anase ebunu yare anase bebre na afre ne chese dan de nya malaria me patcho so ma malaria ebetena so ni adofo yare bia ehu papa na sebse me predator nam se ye mu bi ye mpa de suenti no mi ehu malaria ni padodo ekom afri atasifasa so yo bia usua de pa obon se World Health Organization me patcho afi 2018 ni padodo omu na malaria na 405,000 ye ba 2019 ye benya 406,000 na me patro de yengina 2019 so ne fanye chese statistics ye mra month bosumi bia na ye benya chese 338,083 ye kase ye ba ni daily ni so 1,112 ni padodo omu na mebusaw ena wi anwumre se yare ben ekum ni pasei ye malaria me patro entenase edru bra ye be kan o ma malaria ekum o ma ye nkan onua bi enka ho ye nkan odofo bi enka ho na se wa mu kra ye nkan ho enka ho abrekwa wate ye nkan ana sisi a wutie mi ma onsa enka time herbal mixture eno ne adura no ma edi mogya nim afusane ma mogya ne ye adwuma bi a ɛsɛ na intiri no so ye adwuma yie me pacho malaria se eba so pe abo de malaria eba ne female anopheles mosquito na abra wa beka no o de malaria parasite ni egu ni pedwam se kimpe komogyanim na mogyanim so hye no so se omudi kan ko liver no ebrebo no na abra ma kɔ se ebrebo no awie no na omudidi aba red blood cells nim me pacho so otena se ama malaria parasite ni kɔ se che se liver no ekɔ se red blood cells na eduru sa abre ne pe wapomuden aba fom na eduru obu osmiti edwame miti bom ga me pacho symptoms of malaria obi so wa be say ewia airborne na no kaboso ne ho puse che me pacho entenase ma honsa enka time herbal mixture obi tu so ko kete so wontumi enna omuni kofa na omuna bafa obemumuni sa na ade ache na ade asa me pacho wonuma to wontumi endidie no aduane enya wode aduane obi ho aduane kana ne bu afu fese aduane wontumi emedi nso ta na mode tata ne se onti kakra na onni me pacho ma honsa enka time herbal mixture wonum ebeda ho ubedidi asanso agi entumu obi waterface kura wontene de obi chese tafre wo ti se de ware bese no me pacho ma nsa enka time herbal mixture hyene nso se epuo eda ho kakraka tetrete na nso ontumi mfa kete enkosa so enna so de ntemi bube ene se enuro ni bebre na aba na wanhwa no kwotwa wrong meat me pacho wanhwa ne de chese mfofun ada na okwaye batakari ni abu ntemi ehu kremu papa me pacho se sisi a wutie mu pa bibidro betumi tu malaria se ede ama wo ho a airport ti a edwa wo ho na ma ye omre obi wase ne widiem chese ne widiem ehihye na nkasa se muwa bi nenam ne widiem obi so bo se ne naso honhona na enhonhono wo mogya ne ntimi eni afusane ye malaria parasite na beji wo nipadua na aboso ma nsa enka time herbal mixture me sanso esi numbers ni so bi 0244 417 669 0244 417-669 me pacho awofo a wutie me chese ma me papa nom enchezi amofra ne bebre na ekọ boarding house ana omo nkuma no so ekọ school na eba ne se pe wa mo abofra no ban wensiesi abofra no ama wanya apomode to papa no wamfa emfra pe school na okọ na ho na yare ekoka no ato ho school fees a wutie oni adofo ma me papa wutie msa abofra no kọ boarding house na okọ wensi anase mpo no ye ka wensi osinizi anase mpo okọ ka teacher ne se ne ti epae no ne honam ne hye anase mpo bibi kọ abofra ne pe ya pam no se omre fedie ntia ya re kodie we ama ne homre so ti se wan hwe no abofra ne kosho sa symptoms ni bia ye be pam no se omre fie so me ka se na enye sa ya re dia ye malaria symptoms na ade de abofra no so na abofra ne ye pam na ma wa betena fie ne ka hu se school fees ni de wo betua na adesua so de ye besua de egu abofra no echi me pacho entena se abofra ne eko school no to time heba Mr Fashion ne bag ne trunk troubles ni mo fa bi enhyem no mfa enko ye nyina boarding house yakobi pen na wotu a chese yakọ prepare ntontoma burial na esewani na ntontumi anso na de malaria eba ti wo abofra no ma na ho bambo no NCP ensita na pomodin enkoye emfa ema no abra obobo time herbal mixture no yare bie no waye tridi bie no obetumi abetete no tridi yare bie no obetumi abeka no ato ho yese ma nsa enka time herbal mixture ebusua enchemfa enu ti mofra no modi from 12 years go awofo ye mu bi no omononom na ensiesie wom omomogya ne eni afusane me patcho ni padodo omuhu ena malaria no impoche say World Health Organization chiremu a dodo na ye emofra no enu ti ese ma emofra na pomodin ehia yie papa abofra na sori anopa ma ne time herbal mixture ni bi anom awia wanum bi anwumre wanum bi dan de nyina ma na ho keka na ekosoro na apomodin bi abofra ne he bia ne nsa atumi eka ye nyina ekọ drug stores license chemical shop pharmacy shop bi ebe na wonsa ebeka time herbal mixture impomo mu ton ro mu de otrogo so omom de gu hwi balum no hie bia so open time herbal mixture ato obeyi bi ede amount na abusia na tumi a che farm apomodin atumi akonkan awie pe na sanso SCP asita ede amaye me pato koto aduro bi ne nam se ntumi agbo ntinom ama wabam abu me pacho hye no nso se won sa chi belda na ntisa won sa yem na se ukodwa menu na hu de eba enu na akoto na amwa no nuadofo pia si nchen ene de mansa enka time herbal mixture obi akoto time herbal mixture nom abon ho ban on pese malaria eba betete no nso se na malaria nkwapo de bi woni nipadua no danti abra obanum bewie no enuo me be fini nipadua no abesen akono obetimi koto do no wanu mo we no se doctor ase me no maduro no me yare bi chese yi nuo ma bi afimi nipadua no aba ase nsansan bi agu me ho ase me honam eya memre wono maduro na eyi ohaw na fini peduanim enu ntime paacho wonso wunya bi enum wunya wa wunya bi enka bi enhweye no ma wonsa enka time herbal mission abra wa bobbo bi awie no se malaria parasite na woni peduanim no atena so ache ebe film akọ na sanso abon ho ban se de be bi entumi emetena so enu nti prevention is always better than cure ahobambo no eye since ye betena se atwentwen na ase ama yare na be kan ato ho ansa na etu anamos ye kopa duro ato anom da bi sisi a wutiem ya na me paacho drugstore bi ebe on license chemical shop kojo de time herbal mixture nti bra me pacho ye no nom time herbal mixture no ne nua ba ko ye kan ke ata ne ata na the K engine herbal capsules no so aka ho eno na ebe boa ama general well-being ejina branding ye immune system asem na make me pacho yare ama ne hom ne su se wan hwe na se yare bi ebe so so nuadofo nneoma be ka echi e de ama na yimpo be bia de be kwa kwhye na ese wani wan hwe na nipa ntem kwampo kwan so aware e de ama ma nsa enka K engine herbal capsules ebe bo ebe support immune system na be ma nkwamo no ho ayedin ye ka nkwamo a ye ka white blood cells asem me pacho white blood cells no omna omubu anipadua ne se de be yare emete to yare emedunya na won so wa afam dia be aboa ne se obenum K engine herbal capsules na amomo agina brane ene yare bi na obetumi ebe ni oma be di asie me pacho be mebu anam se ne immune system ay weak ne nkwamo an ayem renti no e day in day out or how be anya kwan pen na be rani padum na etete no be me bia sebsem period sansan be gu be ma ho nso fita fru be mem eba ojo nso outing kasa be mem hihye be mem eya oya me pacho mansa enka K engine herbal capsules eno na ebe support immune system na eyi sa how nyina afri wo me pacho says this here utemi na be man nso fita be fru be ma no eba eno nti amache se jonso kan okura before say oba why boxer shorts na fru be ma no kwampo na yawa ofam no me pacho mansa enka K engine herbal capsules me ma no so bebre na no namfofo na ma is jonso kan na wate no akogina echichichi no akofe ne sen me pacho hawa ofam ma ne ofam se wan hwe no wan koto K engine herbal capsules anom amana ntu ase aka hu se ebedun pempen so be kwa ya sabia doctor be hwe wani din osike de do jesi de rubber eto be mem na mebusa se se na rubber ena be mem no mema semeti se na de rubber ebeto be mem san so yo ba wa himfio pampan bi aba ho na ma ne bebre na wabu ni nsa awie no na pampan abeso ahimfio wo yo ba pampan wa himfio insansan bi abeguo anase insufite be fi wa himfio benti ama wa himfio kwan no abie menu aba siesie ho ne kasa obi oba asima ejina himfio ne betumi ama wa fro oba asima ma onsa enka K engine herbal capsules bi eye mani mema drink me pacho kwa drug store yo ba atomienu ono odofo ho kan ni monche na monom sanso be ma no so kwa atomienu na no ba no monche na ensiesie mu mienu nya na emom onkwa koto na de besie na num wi a me pacho wanu mawie na atu ha na ase dia ma no oni oba no kodin kita wa besan so akofa yare yi anase how ye free oba ne nchenti me pacho afane nyina ye mu bobi na ensiesie ne ya pomodin enkonkan ye immune system enye strong na day in day out nso ye ntu ati di yare ase emfi ye mpotem wo me pacho mo menhye ne nso sisi a yare kodi we na ma no homle so nti abra ye bobo K enje ye ba capsules no ye nose masks me pacho mo men yusu na emwa ye na che sanitizers no so day in day out ye wash ye nsanso enkan we na che se ahunidie na ye ntimi enti ye ho emfi yare ho se be dan day nyina botae esi ye ne so anamobi esi etubia na etumi yebetumi atuni ye edo ne time herbal mixture any K engine herbal capsules your number is 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 yeda tie for na adofo nyina ase dase ne yebesan so ne mo ehia.
All right, yes, so yeda mo ase eno eyen komo efie time herbal center and I de bra e wo fie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Real quick. Now you're back. Yeah, share the war other side also. Aye, Maninda, yeah.
Na lamte busianye last week, oh. Now so this week, busianye. Ediana Sisa. As Lamte here say Go TV Max drop in price from 70 Ghana cedis to 60 Ghana cedis month. They didn't delay cra. Omuko upgrading one time. CCA yeah the sports, entertainment, kids shows, and then Yama Bebre, Abre Lamte Busiamo Munia Giabroso. Be like the Lamte family. Upgrade the Go TV Max Sisia. Tier 60 Ghana cedis. Now enjoy maximum entertainment for less. Cafe Dokra. Use the Go TV app no for connect to Go TV Max so and I could pay by the point agent to be in your area for maximum entertainment. Offer valid from 14th January to 31st March 2021. T&Cs apply. Go TV. Love it.
Nokia smartphones are banana. Obia guso kanwasem. Nokia new Android smartphones email more megapixels, more memory, and more pictures. Ni videos pop baby. Phones here fast. So browsing, woko Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I will streaming video. Umi aswa nedem. Nokia batteries here. We are singing a D1 dance you. What charge here? A Jiraso and is a Jiraso. Hey, when you budget new Nokia Android smartphones in Opa. NTG Nokia 3.4 with 64 gig memory, and now Nokia 2.4. They were 32 gig memory, and now 64 gig memory. Nokia 2.4 was 30 megapixel back camera, then 5 megapixel front camera. There were 4,500 milliamp battery, 6.5 inch screen. There were Android 10. What to be upgraded called Android 11. To Nokia phone here, will full show BI bell.
Afia train one train be biakra. And they say, and so Jaja home. I feel way dear, Ampaya Ebeja, Yolo.
At the party, I will homo beer. Intima Samsung Galaxy A12. There were 5,000 mAh battery. A bridgement the moon in na. Network cameras Baku 9. The main camera no 48 megapixels. 6.5-inch HD plus screen go ye. Nini akika ho bebre no ma won dance. Ubetimi to Samsung Galaxy A12. There was 64 gigabytes internal memory. 899 cedis per. Anania 128 gigabyte internal memory. 999 Ghana cedis.
What's the video call data now?
Cause Samsung shop will be a bell one up with Samsung Galaxy A12. Aya fefofro. Enti Galaxy fofro. Esi share kakao home.
Chale, bronya we dear, ya be mana ya sunko. Say yeah. Hey, we who watch a pow. Drama series be brave wa homao. Bibi potse wa homao.
Mama, na dia ne be ne.
Entertainment roso. What action bia to say.
Messi Ronaldo ni Messi why planet so.
Won't me enji wo hu fi one thing same bisa pi no ho.
Na wo kra da be na wo be worry.
Now so ya be ma ideas. Onia for DSTV di bronya we what it. Manonya sunko ankasa. 45 Ghana cedis per. Busumi bia and now koto DSTV Zappa decoder 229 Ghana cedis per. A free 1 month access account. Kind so say ubetumi atua with subscription. Reset it and now activate your account. Na sign so to with decoder fire and pay by the points. And the mobile agents are a bro 100 our Ghana afanani na. And now use it my DSTV app. Official po DSTV. I'm a bronya way as so ankasa. Press 0302 740-540 and I text it 1731. DSTV, it's your moment.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was me mobile money. See me with our workers car. Charges some 380 cedis. What send this can go charges no. Wait there cement 10 bags so. Me atie. Se we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. Me say me network ne there. Tie. What send this ka was our network no so no. Yet what send this ka free with network no so akwa network foforo no. And no so yet na mum tie asem de pa. What send this ka with Vodafone cash so are free. What send this ka free Vodafone cash. I got network bia so and so you free. Masa into work catch them. What that so you then was our network no so. Move bra Vodafone cash says hey masa you chip not to ball musisi I know say there. What send this ka with Vodafone cash so I got network bia so are you free. Send this ka do bia and prend do bia got network bia so free. Dial *110# says send this.
The future is exciting. Ready?
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Oh, and until this repairs here, you are not Throwback Thursday, you know what I mean? It is coming in from VIP. It features TikTok, Sri Kakra, they call it. Okay, friends, see now, Sister Sandy be a guy at Nasi. Say, okay, so let me speak English. You know, on Thursdays we do speak English, yes, on filler time. You know what I mean? So give us a call now, 0302-216-561, 0302-216-562.
You did not welcome me, so I'm gonna go back, open the door, come in.
No. I want to do that. No, I want to do that now.
Open the door,
okay, so ladies and gentlemen, it's filler time, and Sister Son to be a guy is in the building already. Yo, Sister Son to be a guy. Yo, welcome, baby. How you doing?
Yeah, talking. You know what I'm saying? On Thursday, we don't joke here.
Oh,
I
man.
gotta walk back so you introduce me.
Okay. So now you cool, yeah?
Yeah, I'm not that cool. But since I'm coming from the snow, I'm cool. I'm cool, maybe.
All right, so let's see the phone lines. Do you have somebody on the line, African? Can we get it rolling?
The fella that you've heard.
Okay. So yeah. The fella they've heard,
you just call
and they want us to explain much further. Okay. Hello. Yo, hello. Come on, that person's not ready. Let's pick a different caller. Yeah, hello. Hello.
He ain't got time for all that.
They'll go like, who is that? Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
We pick you.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is
Ernestina?
Yeah.
Calling from?
St. Petersburg.
Okay, so Ernestina,
what's the fella?
Tell us about it.
My fella.
Yeah.
Oh, yesterday I'm speaking brofu pan.
Yesterday.
But yesterday we don't do English. We do English on Thursdays.
Okay, so it means you don't have any fella that you want us to explain to you much further. Yeah, you just wanted to speak English.
I'm speaking small. You're laughing me now.
All right, that's fine. So keep speaking small at home, okay?
Okay, continue. Speak it all. Don't leave sound.
Let's move on. Hello, good evening.
Hello, bye, Jerry.
Yes, boss. What's the name?
My name is Sanabia.
Please turn down the volume of your radio set. It is giving us feedback. This is bad.
I don't know what you want to hear.
Yeah, you got to. Yeah. So, where are you calling from?
Yeah, I'm calling from Medina.
Okay, so we're listening to you.
What's the fella?
Well, to be honest with you, I ain't got no fella. I just want to encourage you guys.
Tell us, you want to speak English.
God has been so good, and then I've been able to pass through.
That's cool. That's cool.
That's cool. Congratulations.
That's cool. All right. You keep listening, yeah?
All right, my guy.
All right.
I love you, boy.
All right. Thanks for the love, baby.
Yo, my guy.
Oh, man. It's all for the love, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, my guy, wagwan.
Yeah, everything nice.
You're looking good, like when you wear short sleeves like this, your hand is more like,
hello. I don't mind you.
I thank God the call cat. God loves me so much. So with this hand, if you see my broski in town, you
okay, hello.
Oh, man.
Hello, Jerry.
Yes, good evening.
Yeah, this is Sam.
This is?
Sam.
Sam.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is it a female Sam or male Sam?
Yeah, the female Sam.
Female Sam, I got you.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your filler?
No, I want to ask that guy who came there was speaking Batwa.
Yeah.
Were you able to understand everything?
Oh, yes, but I explained to you.
You were just saying, yeah.
Oh, no, come on, we are vibing. So you know at a point I even explained it to you, yeah?
Have a nice day. You
too.
Thank you. There's this Malam called Malam Babatia on Facebook.
Malam Babatia?
Yeah, he's been commenting on our Facebook. Yo, Malam,
really?
I'm not sure your family members are rich yet. Go get them rich. After that, you come so we talk. You know what I'm saying?
Hello.
Hello, brother.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
Boss, what's the name?
I'm Nicholas.
Nicholas, okay. What's the fella?
Yeah, fella is all about this. They say Bright Jerry is God-fearing.
Yeah, I said it.
And honesty.
Ask me, yeah.
And also very kind.
That's true. What else you want to know? I love this. I'm so in the mood. Clearly ran up on, but it's all good.
You done with that?
Yeah.
Yes, right there.
Okay. Thanks so much for calling.
Every fella deserves an explanation, and I need a killer Willie for this whole energy, but it's all good. Like, everything for you, anything for you, bro. I'm gonna do this real quick. So yeah, everything you said is true. I gave you that filler. And it's all good. Not that he's.
I need someone to go wash my car for me. Please, are you gonna do that? My car is really dirty.
So So yeah, he's all that you mentioned. Like yeah, he's God fear, he's honest. If he's got you, he's got you. If he doesn't like you, sorry, he doesn't like you.
On that note, we aren't picking any more calls, yeah?
Take a last call, please.
Okay, so last caller. Hello.
Last call, please.
Hello.
Ain't they asking anything about Papa Bills?
Hello.
Like, they ain't got no for about bills.
Okay, so on that cool note, we bring it to a close.
Okay, so y'all, next week Thursday, y'all need to find for love about my family members like Papa Bills, Jerry Justice, African, and J. Cole. These 4 guys around me, Obadia and Opengi. Nase is part. So you got find for love about them and come ask me, alright?
Got you.
I'm the closest to them, so I'm gonna give you the real deal.
Alright.
Okay, bro, I'm out.
Okay, take care, baby. Alright, so young fast that ma okay, me around, me go any problem. Why? All right, so young fast that can say my Vodafone or say and they use Vodafone cash now. They send this come bia or Vodafone cash where you free. You enjoy charges bia what you say won't you shame. Sounds now use Vodafone cash now. They send this come be or any other network bia so and also a free. So why waste money on charges? I jijijo e wada networks so wa bra or buy a Vodafone obet me send the cash for free. So go on dial *110# to send cash for free. Ready? Adom say or madama any de fella ebro. Let's do it like this.
Adom FM 106.3, Ghana's most authentic radio station. Top.
Same time.
And my homie Shanti.
See what? A happy birthday going out to Nana Ajwa Asariwa of Atonsu Agogo Hospital. May you continue to find favor with God and man. And this one is coming from your mom, Mrs. Georgina, I'll say, your dad, Mr. Simon Asari, and all your loved ones. The message here says, we love you, Nana Ajwa. Baby shake, baby shake. So earlier now, me your birthday wish at the man. I am Mr. Bendankwa, ne mother-in-law, Nase. So Mama Agi, who I am Mango, I say, Tema, come to you. A happy birthday to you. And shouts going out to you, Mr. Ments. Police ni papa. Pediase no butu. And today happens to be your birthday, Chief. Hubert Teria Inti. What dinosaur Inti Teria Hubert. Happy birthday to you, Minia. aka Chief. And Yami Osha Atina on Ton Quandem on your Kessie. Ewo Yesu Demo. Amen. Me come, Mama. Your eye. Poso Puma. Obani Niaba. Yellow CC Day for the corner. My name is Mapuka, I like dancing. Hey, giddy from my home. What are them from my home? If I try bet we say, you can't trust on one way. I wear so pay football pa. But I thought that be announced when need tennis home. Any basketball near that, disciplines no near the can win. They say it in or person catch us say. Yes, some you introduce sports, casino games, bet games, and more. And they buy a platform, so I bet me I bet it on. So now from football to roulette, from sports to horse racing, bet me I bet on now. So now winning quadia, you get paid instantly via mobile money or EFT to your bank. So go and visit www.betway.com.gh to play today. And remember to bet responsibly. No under 18. Betway, for the love of the game. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on that note, we bring proceedings to a close. It's checkout time, baby.